Hello, in this video, I will show you how to add a sticker to an object in Blender. Let's start. Select the sticker, change the mode to Edit Mode, right-click and choose Subdivide. In the pop-up menu at the bottom left corner, change the number of cuts to 10, right-click again and select Subdivide once more. This time, change the number of cuts to 5, switch back to Object Mode. Go to the Modifier Properties panel, under Deform, select Shrinkwrap. For the target, choose the cylinder. You may notice a problem here. The sticker overlaps with the cylinder. To fix this, increase the offset slightly. Try 0.01. You can even lower it to 0.001 if needed. Apply the Shrinkwrap Modifier. There's another issue. When you try to move the cylinder, the sticker stays in place. To solve this, select the cylinder, then hold Shift and select the sticker. Go to the Object menu and choose Join. And that's it. The cylinder now moves together with the sticker as one object.